how do you detangle that really messy knotted mass at the back of your really long wig without creating even more damage? So this is what works for me. I always use a wide tooth comb. This is my John Renault wide tooth comb. And I always start from the very bottom of the fibres and I work my way up really gently, and I have the comb in a vertical position. I could go like that, but in the past I've found that going like that just pulls the fibres together and really makes extra knots. So this is the way. If it's really tangled, then I will spray on a bit of special synthetic hair conditioner first, just to make it a little bit more slippery and enable those fibres to slide through that comb without creating more damage. So working from the bottom, even if it's a wavy wig, just trying to go up gently up that whole curl line. You will get little knots, but you don't want to drag a knot from the top fibres down to the bottom, because that's going to create a lot of damage. So you're just gently working your way up through the fibres, and as you detangle a lower section, move on to a higher section. Take your time with this, don't rush, because this isn't a job that you would do if you were in a hurry, because you're going to create more damage to those fibres. So just working your way up that curl line up to the top there, and just working your way around that wig, starting from the bottom. And you can see here how it's really starting to smooth out beautifully. So some parts are worse than others. We've got quite a matted bit here. One of the keys with these longer wigs is to always, at the end of a wearing, do as I'm doing and just comb out that matted portion ready for the next wear. Because if you let these knots accumulate, they're going to get to the point where you really can't do very much with them at all, or you can't do anything with them unless you really are creating a lot more damage and making those fibres look all frayed on the end, just like our human hair can get split ends on it. These synthetic fibres can become all fluffy and broken. There's another matted section there. And if you get to a point where you've got a pull there, don't try and drag that all the way down to the bottom. Just start again on that curl part and reach it from the bottom, and you'll find that it won't drag all the way through those fibres and cause more damage. So this is a cheaper wig that I bought from Shein or Shine. It cost me about $44. I paid $33 because I had a coupon. So it's a really great wig to have on a budget, but you do need to take care with these fibres. But I haven't found that I need to take any extra care with these fibres than with some of my more expensive wigs. These fibres seem to be actually performing equal to even better than a lot of my more expensive wigs that I've paid many hundreds of dollars for. So that's a real surprise. That is detangled now and ready for me to wear. And if you like this wig that I'm wearing, this is Angelica by Noriko, and it has a mono top. A really beautiful, long, luscious layered wig. And there's a full review on this wig on Julie's Wig World, and YouTube is going to have a video selected just for you.